This is Usman Rees and welcome to Visit with Usman channel. And today I'm going to show the new place. The name is Dubai International Boat Show. International Boat Show. We are going to explore the new place, Dubai International Boat Show. Behind me is Dubai Sheikh Zayed Road, and there is one bridge. You can see metro is there, and I am very excited to visit the new place. So you will enjoy a lot with me in Dubai International Boat Show. Actually, this boat show is for 5 days, 28th to 3rd March. So stay tuned with me. We will go and enjoy a lot. Also free shuttle bus service. I came through metro and I take metro from Mohd Mehta, and then from Mohd Mehta Al Khail metro, and then here is very good free shuttle bus service. So you will enjoy a lot. Come with me. We will explore the Dubai International Boat Show. We will go there and enjoy a fun. Finally, I reached Dubai International Boat Show and I'm very excited. The atmosphere is awesome, and there is too much boats. This is the beginning. So one more thing just came in my knowledge. The price is 45 dirham, and I'm expecting this one is free. But if it's free, so here is visitor ticket sale area. You can buy ticket from the Platinum website. The price is 45 dirham. So let's see. The queue is going to be over, so I will go there and buy the ticket. Finally, I enter in Dubai Boat Show. It's amazing. You can see behind me there is a lot of boats, and people are enjoying the weather. The air is very nice and very cold air. So I'm thinking from where can start the trip. Behind me is a majestic yacht, and if I want to go inside, we have to register in opposite side, VIP registration. So time is very short, so we will try to go and register. So I'm going to register myself. So after that I can explore the boat, and you stay tuned with me. So I'm going to enter and explore the ship. This is the first time I'm going to properly yacht. Oh my god, it's so amazing. So can you believe I'm inside of the yacht, and this look like a hole. You are in room. Oh my god, finally I enter in the yacht, and this is the first time. I can't believe it. This is like I'm in my room. not in my room, but I can go inside and explore all the yacht.
This is the executive salon, and this is the galley area.
Here is dining table.
Dishwasher here. About area. Yes. And shower.
Oh my god, it's amazing. That's why people like to set it in yacht.
22, yes. You feel that, you know, you're not, yes.
मैं अभी एक लॉज के आगे मौजूद हूँ और मैंने रजिस्ट्रेशन करवा ली भी है, बट ओनली 4 पर्सन आर अलाउड टू इनसाइड द लॉज. सो इससे पहले मैंने एक और भी विज़िट की थी, उसको मैंने एक्सप्लोर करवाया था. इट्स अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मी. आई कांट बिलीव इट. यू आर इनसाइड ऑफ द लॉज और इन योर होम. तो अभी अंदर चलते हैं और दूसरी को भी एक्सप्लोर करते हैं. So right now I'm in front of Marathon Yacht, and I already registered myself in this. So I'm in front of Marathon Yacht, and I request. Not request. Here is a mandatory requirement for the registration. So I already she will explore me inside of the yacht. Right now Julia is with me, so she will explore me and inside the yacht. So come with me. Oh my god, it's amazing. Yeah, Julia will explain all the things.
If you're really, really interested,
Manufactured in UK.
Manufactured by UK. Oh my god. The whole yacht is. Hi sir, good evening.
Sorry to be in your way.
Oh my god. It's first time experience. I am. No, it's the second time. Before in first yacht I explored, and this all is manufactured in UK. This is amazing. Can you believe this is in yacht is same like your balcony? Everything is available. Toilet, everything, each and everything.
All the little details. This is the cockpit, the inside cockpit. There's another one upstairs for the better weather. Let's see the bedrooms. All the bedrooms have washrooms. This is the master bedroom number 1.
Oh my, amazing.
Nice classy design. Very modern. All the best ecological materials. And this is twin bedroom.
Twin bedroom.
Yeah.
Oh, very nice.
Plenty of storage and everything. The bathroom as well.
How much the cost of this yacht?
This is roughly speaking 3 million pounds.
3 million pounds. UK pounds. 3 million pounds.
Dirham around 14 million dirham.
14 million dirham. Okay. Oh my god, it's amazing.
Just check the
proper dining storage. Oh my god, it's amazing. With this yacht. How much the rent? Yeah, rent. It's only for sale, not for any rent. Like other companies, brand new yacht, and there is also one. In every room has a attached bathroom. This one is the LCD.
Upstairs.
My work is not today. My boss today. Anyway, I want to tell him you want too much, but I tell him I don't. Sure, I say you. But now I
This is upper cockpit. Here's the barbecue and little kitchen here, the fridge and everything. All that line is the party
places.
area. Sunbathing. This is sunroof. It opens. If you want sun,
Very
if you
nice.
want the back. When the weather allows, if not storm, then people drive from here. Captain sit here.
Can I drive?
We?
Yeah.
Now we can.
Can I drive?
So you can not on. So normally you turn on the stabilizer, so it will be stable.
Giving me the brief information about the yacht, and hopefully you will take a lot of information about the yacht. The price is £3 million, so multiply in dirham. I think the 5 dirham, 1 dirham is equal to 5 dirham, so 3 million. Oh my god, inshallah, if God will give me the power, and I will bought this yacht. Here is the stairs. It's amazing. Hopefully you will enjoy a lot in this spot. So आगे चलते हैं. Now I'm going to another yacht. There is full boat show. You can see, oh my god, it's amazing boat show. And here is one other lady. She will explore me. So let's see. Oh my god, it's amazing. A lot of people are here. So right now I'm in another yacht, and going to inside. I'm already inside of the yacht. There you can see the sitting area.
Excuse me?
Right now weather is very cold, very cold, and it's amazing experience for me. And you can see here is body boats. Oh My God, different kind of boats. There is an ambulance also. I think marine ambulance unit. If something has happened in sea, so this ambulance will cover all the passengers. I am again in front of Al Coast shipbuilding. It's looking like the UAE local shipping company. So we will try again, register to myself and visit this ship. I had to register myself and visit this ship. It's amazing. My God.
What we use now, some
This is a civil defense ship. It came in my knowledge now when I enter. Civil defense ship and it's government owned ship. So if anything has happened, this civil defense worker will control all the things. Oh my God, that's amazing. First of all, I'm thanks to the great person who is holding the mobile, and I don't know the name. So, and now I'm going to captain and operate this ship. And thanks to this guy, he is first of all there. Oh my God, it's amazing. Look at this. All this camera. What is going on? Oh my God. It's unbelievable experience for me. Oh, thank you so much. Can you explain me about this thing, if you know? Right now, all are the captains same like with me. No one is knows. So it's amazing. Can you please again hold this?
This is under the ship.
This is under the ship.
Now you are seeing the under the ship.
This
Now it's on the top
this
of the ship.
friend has made my video, and thank you so much. Sir, where are you from?
I'm from India.
India, Kerala.
Yeah.
Kerala is always in all Middle East. Kerala is very nice person. What's your good name?
Jasir. Jasir.
Jasir. Thank you so much, Jasir. Usman. Yes, here. Thank you, sir. Entering here, it's amazing. Dubai government is amazing, sir. Here is proper eating system. Oh, sorry, not eating system for the guests. And again, thanks. Amazing experience for me. Hopefully, you will explore this Al Coast shipbuilding. Actually, I am saying this UAE ship company. Actually, this is a civil defense ship. So, explore more. There is a lot. So, going to that area. And now we have to cross that bridge. And now we will go there. There is one car show also. And ship spare parts, ship products also there. So come with me and you will enjoy a lot there. And right now I'm going to enter this side, this area, Royal Yacht. Before I was here to explore all this yacht